The 2025 Kia EV6 has arrived with notable updates designed to keep this electric vehicle at the forefront of the market. One of the most significant upgrades is the new 84 kWh battery, which replaces the previous 77.4 kWh pack. This enhancement boosts the vehicle's range to a maximum of 307 miles, based on South Korean estimates, although this is slightly lower than the 310-mile range of the light long-range trim. Official EPA figures will provide a more precise comparison. Performance remains robust with unchanged power and torque outputs. The base RWD model delivers 225 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque, while the dual-motor AWD variant offers 320 GP and 446 lb-ft. The entry-level model with a 58 kWh battery and 167 GP is not mentioned in this update. The EV6 retains its efficient charging capability, achieving a 1080% charge in just 18 minutes using a 350 kilowatts fast charger. The facelift brings several exterior changes that enhance the EV6's modern look. The front features new Star Map LED headlights, replacing the previous generic clusters, and a more pronounced air dam on the bumper. At the rear, a simplified light bar and a redesigned bumper with gloss black inserts give the EV6 a sleeker appearance. New wheel designs, ranging from 19 to 20 inches, add to the vehicle's fresh look. The GT line trim, in particular, benefits from a more aggressive front bumper and other distinct exterior finishes, aligning the EV6 more closely with other recent Kia models, like the facelifted Sorento. Inside, the EV6 boasts several improvements aimed at enhancing user experience and comfort. A key highlight is the new single curved panoramic display that houses both the central screen and the digital driver's display, each measuring 12.3 inches. This setup uses Hyundai Group's latest CCNC software, which features better graphics and usability. The system supports augmented reality for navigation and third-party app streaming, and it can receive over-the-air updates for continuous improvement. The EV6 is equipped with a suite of safety features, including 10 airbags, safe exit assist, highway driving assist 2, remote smart parking assist 2, forward collision avoidance, rear collision prevention assist, and comprehensive parking assistance. It also includes a digital key and onboard cameras that record the front and rear views of the vehicle. Currently available in South Korea, the 2025 Kia EV6 is expected to reach other markets soon. US pricing for the 2024 model starts at $42,600 for the light RWD and goes up to $61,100 for the GT. Updated pricing for the 2025 model will be announced closer to its release. Stay tuned for more details as they become available.